and they were just white spots from the white paint that dripped through the plastic. They had plastic everything, and then the plastic got some holes in it. So what do you think they used? They used goof off. They used goof off. They wiped that on there, and what happens with goof off, if you use goof off on carpet a lot, you'll think, oh man, it took it off really nice. But then what happens, it leaves that residue once it dries. Whenever you walk on here, just the dirt from your shoe, when you walk on it, it's gonna act as a magnet, and you're gonna see the mark. It's all the way where you put your goof off, and they used it all the way. They rubbed it and rubbed it. The mark was, mind you, was just a little one. They could have done a little bit better job, but they foo-pawed it, and I ended up getting a carpet cleaner, and this wasn't going to be part of the video, but you never know what you're going to get when you watch my videos, right? I went to the store, and kaboom! I got this cleaner, whole home cleaning from floor to ceiling. This is a Hoover, and it comes with the attachments, and it's an actual, no, wait a minute, that's not it. That's not it. Sorry about that. That's an actual vacuum right there. We had that at our other place. We needed one because the other one was in storage. I'll have to show you. I'll have to go out to the garage. Now I've piqued your interest, huh? Because you're gonna be wondering, how's he gonna get that out? I'm not calling a carpet cleaner company, because every time you call, I got so much white carpet down here, and every time you call someone, you're gonna bound to get more marks. Here's another little mark here. There's one over there in front of this little refrigerator. There was another mark there that I tried to get some stuff out. There's a little mark there. There's one. See, they're all over. And this is after, mind you, we had someone from ChemDry come in here and clean. Oh yeah, we can get all these out. It didn't get them out. See that one there? That was worse before I took Simple Green to it. I took Simple Green to it. Because of the color of the carpet, after I got done, it showed up. It dried kind of green. And so then what I did is I took just water, and I rinsed that just with water, and I got lots of it out. But I still have to clean that all the way. And I'm going to do that with my cleaner. And anytime somebody comes over here, if they spill anything, hey, no problem. I'll get my carpet cleaner out and I'll take care of it. There's another spot there. There's another spot there. And even on these steps, most of these steps down here don't look bad. There's a little mark. There's a mark. But look at this landing. The painters, they put one thin little layer of plastic down here, and of course it got a rip in it, and then of course they tried to clean that, and of course they used goof off on that. Doesn't that look terrible? I saw them put plastic on this 3 different times to do different things. And because they're white steps, you can see where people put their foot as they're going up, like that. Here's the marks right here. More marks. You see them all on each step. Well, this carpet cleaner, and they got some more there. Oh yeah, we'll get that off. They never did. This carpet cleaner that I got, it'll do that too, because it's got the actual wand. How much did this carpet cleaner cost me? I think it was 150 bucks. It cracks me up. Every year, Hoover tries to make a new and improved one, so you can never buy the one that you bought initially. I bought Hoover carpet cleaners from Home Depot 3 different times over the course of years, and every couple years they change. And see, here it is. This one's a Power Scrub Elite Pet, and it's the carpet cleaner all in this little box. Yeah, you pull it out and you have to screw this top bit on, but I also like the fact that it comes with the wand and everything. I don't know where it is. I thought it came with the wand. See, I haven't even opened it yet. Boy, if the last one I got, it came with the wand, and I'm sure it it comes with one. This was the most elite. Dries 2 times faster. It also heats the. You put warm water in it, and it will supposedly heat it up too. And man, I hope it has that scrubber, because that's why I bought that specifically, so that I could use the hand wand and do the stairs. And it's not showing it on the picture, but the last 2 Hoover ones that I got years ago, it came with it, and you don't have to drag the hose around with you or anything. It comes separate, and then you poke it in, and you poke it in, and I think you pop it in right there. You pull that open, and then the hose sticks on there. I'm surprised they didn't show a picture of the wand or anything, you know, because they usually do. Anyways, I'm gonna end up using this to clean the carpets down there. Oh, anything. I like to be in control of stuff. You know, if I get a mark, I don't want to have to call a cleaning company, pay them $100 a visit just to undo a spot, or do just these stairs, you know, because mark my words, they're gonna get dirty again. You barely look at this floor and it gets dirty. So there's a tip for you too. If you're getting ready to replace your carpet in your house, you get anything like this, and this isn't even white, by the way. This is kind of an off color, and lots of times when you go and pick out carpet, your carpet samples are usually only a square. You look at it in a book, you think, oh yeah, that's fine, and then they come out with the big old huge roll, they unroll it, and you think, my God, that's not the same stuff that I ordered. That's way too white. And you look at the sample, sure enough, it's the same carpet. So there's a tip for you. When you get carpet, when you pick out a color, it always comes out whiter, a lighter color, when you unroll it and put it in your house. Okay? And the same, what is it? On walls though, on painted walls, when you get done picking a paint sample, usually the paint sample on a little deck usually comes out, when you paint the entire wall, usually your color turns lighter. Carpet samples, you get the big piece of carpet out, usually it's lighter. Sorry about that. The carpet, your sample, when you unroll your carpet, usually your carpet is lighter. Okay, when you take a paint sample and you put it on a wall and you got it in a paint deck, know that once you put it on the wall, it's going to come out darker. Yes, it's going to come out darker. See these 2 walls, for instance? It almost looks like, well, I guess no. It almost looks right here, from here to here. It almost looks like there's 2 colors there, right? Well, there's not 2 colors. Newsflash, those 2 colors are the same. And it's hard to see that once you get up close to the wall, because of the shadow. Now, granted, up above, that ceiling is white, that's white. But down here, it's actually the same color. Isn't that weird? How shadows do things. Because I have that door open. Look at this wall here, over here. Looks like there's 2 paint colors right in here, huh? See? That's because you get shadows on the wall, and it makes your walls darker. Now, granted, here's a green wall here, but up in the corners it looks darker than the middle. Well, I've got light on here too, but in shadows it comes up darker. Okay? Isn't that weird how that works? All these walls in here are the same color, but from here you would think this wall is a different color than that wall, but it's all the same color. That's how the light acts different. See, here you got the same thing, because the sun's coming in, it's shining on this wall more than that wall. or it's I'm sorry, it might be casting a shadow more in there than over here, because the sun's coming this direction right now through this window. Okay. So different things. You kind of got me off track here. Okay. What this job was all about was finishing up putting my my grease on the hinges. Okay. But I wanted to show you how important it is to prep the areas first. And prepping meaning putting the masking tape down on the carpet. Okay? Don't forget to do that. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.